Hey y'all, welcome back to the YOLO Texas Best of 2017 special. Now this year we did a lot of adventurous stuff, but from a sheer adrenaline standpoint, it's pretty hard to top off our visit to San Marcos when I finally checked skydiving off my bucket list. Opening its doors over 30 years ago, this state-of-the-art center caters to both first-time and experienced skydivers, boasting a massive landing area, spacious classroom, and a shaded spectator area. No, this is my first time, so what's the process like going through the instructional, getting suited up, and all the way out to the sky?
We're going to take about 5 minutes to get you into a jumpsuit and a harness, and I'm going to give you a quick set of instructions on what you need to do when we leave the plane. When it's time to leave the plane, the door's going to come open, some lights are going to turn on, plane's going to slow down a little bit. Cameramen will take their position in the door, and then we'll take our position in the door, and ready, set, out we go. Your duties are pretty simple, just relaxing and have a good time.
Relax.
We're gonna throw you out a perfect airplane. You nervous? You anxious? How you feeling?
I'm really excited, but I know once that door opens, I'm gonna be a little bit nervous, but I'm in good hands.
Anything you want to say before we go?
I love you, Mom and Dad. Getting up to altitude takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So to keep my mind off of things, I tried real hard to admire the beauty below. I mean, you really cannot beat this view. But I wasn't up here for the views, and in no time, we were over the jump zone.
Alrighty, here we are about halfway up. How you feeling?
I'm a little nervous. Just saw a couple guys in the front one, and amazing. Oh my God, it's so great. I'm about to be up next. Here we go.
Yeah, we got to get you a little bit higher.
Oh my God.
You ready for this?
Take me higher.
Nice job.
So here we are, safe and sound, back on the ground.
Holy moly, look at my hair.
What do you got to say about that?
Oh my gosh, that 45 seconds we were free falling was amazing. I can't believe, oh my goodness, all the feels. You just rush, the rush. Can't even speak because that's how I felt. I want to do it again. Then you pull up the parachute. Holy moly, that was amazing.
The excitement from this jump was even more than I imagined. If you ever get a chance to go skydive, I highly recommend you definitely take the jump. Oh my God, let's do it again! Have a safe one, yeah? To learn more about scheduling a YOLO Texas adventure for yourself, go to skydivesanmarcos.com.